Hello there guys, welcome to episode 43 of LogoGuy365's Logo History. In this episode, we're going to take a look at IKEA. Here's a short bio if you don't know what IKEA is. IKEA is a multinational conglomerate founded in Sweden that designs and sells ready to assemble furniture, household goods, and various related services. And its websites are aboutikea.com, incut.com, and ikea.com. Now without further ado, let's get started. 1951 to 1952. The E had an acute diacritic in the main back then. There was a red shape with the words Levity, IKEA Granati in white text. And I may have not pronounced it properly, mainly because I am not from Sweden. 1952 to 1957. There's a brown shape with the word IKEA in white text. 1952 to 1953. Now the logo is inside a brown and white background. This were catalog. 1952. A gun yard in white text. 1953 to 1955. The rest of the text has been removed. The background is now white, and the word "garnet" is out of the logo, and it's in a different font. And it's brown. 1955 to 1956. Everything is now yellow, and the word "garnet" is capitalized, and it's inside a black background. 1956 to 1957. Now the IKEA logo is black. There was replaced by and the logo is inside a white square. 1957 to 1958. Here at the logo for its second name, Logo IKEA. The logo is now inside a yellow background, and the word "and Holt" is now lowercase and there's the word "mobile." 1958 to 1962. Now the shape is more ovalized. The logo is inverted. It's inside a black background, and even the other text is inverted. 1952 to 1965. Hurry up the logo for its surgery. IKEA without the acute diacritic. Now the oval is more straight. The acute diacritic was removed from the logo, and the word "mobile" in Hewitt is capitalized and in a different font. 1966 to 1967. Now the oval is cut into a rectangle. A black rectangle. And the word "mobile" IKEA in Hewitt is black. And there's a black line. 1967 to 1981. Now change is made to IKEA without the acute diacritic. The sporty text was removed. 1981 to 1982 and 1980 to 1997 as the secondary logo. The logo is now red. 1982 to 2019. The logo is now blue and yellow. 2019 to the present. The logo is now lighter. Alright guys, that is it. I really hope you enjoyed this episode. Stay tuned for the next episode, which will be on Visa. And the next episode I'm redoing